Hi guys, welcome back to another video by Tinkertown. Today we are reviewing a canvas cover. It's called the Tonneau rear cover for the Isuzu V Cross. I've been using this for almost a year now, and what I'll do now is show you the salient features of this cover. So as you can see, the product is made of a canvas which is Rhino Tough. It is 750 GSM. It is 100% waterproof, and it comes with same color of stitching or webbing as it is known as. It's not a different color, so it doesn't stand out. It's one of the easiest and the most economical in terms of costing to cover the rear of the V Cross. And let me show you how easy it is to install it. This is how it is secured. As you can see, this is a J-hook. It goes all around the body of the car and it gets hooked, and it's easy to use. So the tonneau cover from ARMORO comes in this neat looking bag, Save Life Outside ARMORO, and it's again made up of canvas. You can store the tonneau cover in this bag. When you're not using it, you can fold it and keep it inside the car or at the office or at home. And when you install this can be used to store any of the tools or any of the kits which you are carrying in your car. I hope you liked this video and it was useful. And if you have any queries, you can go on our Instagram or Facebook page and write to us, and do like and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good one.